Hey everyone, Nut For You Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon toast crunch bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. They're pretty easy. First you're going to need 8 cups of cinnamon toast crunch, 8 cups of marshmallows, and you can see I have big and small marshmallows, but we're melting them on the stovetop, so it doesn't really matter. I just didn't have 8 cups of either or. And then 1 stick of butter, and you can use your salted or unsalted here. It doesn't matter. I just always use unsalted. And then you're going to need a 9 by 13 baking dish, and you want to go ahead and spray that generously with cooking spray. Okay, so in a big pot on high heat, I am going to go ahead and melt my butter. Alright, my butter is almost melted, so I am going to turn my heat down just because I don't want the marshmallows to burn when I add them. So as soon as this is completely melted, I'm going to add my marshmallows. Alright, that is nice and melted, so let's go ahead and add our marshmallows, and we're just going to stir those with a spatula until they are completely melted and combined. Alright, my marshmallows are all nice and melted and combined with my butter, so I removed them from the heat, and I'm going to add the 8 cups of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Alright, my cereal is all added, so now we are just going to stir it to combine with a spatula. Alright, that looks pretty stirred together. I still have a little on the bottom I'm going to incorporate, but I am going to go ahead and pour this into my prepared pan, and you just want to make sure that you're stirring those gently because you don't want to break all your cereal. And then we are going to press it down with, I'm going to spray cooking spray on my hands first and then press it down gently. Alright, those are nice and pressed down, and just be careful when you do that because they are a bit hot, so just remember that when you're pressing. So we are just going to let these set up for about 15 minutes and then cut them into bars. Alright, my bars all cooled off. I actually let mine set up for an hour. I tried to cut them after 20 minutes and it just wasn't long enough. But you can just cut them as little or as big as you want. And look at all that gooey marshmallow. Oh, they look and taste amazing and smell amazing. So we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That ain't nothing wrong. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.